again to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I am Amanda Umetu of the Amanda's Cooking Channel. Okay, I've got another channel, Amanda and Family. That's not the one we are in right now. This is called Amanda's Cooking Channel. So basically what we do here is to teach you how to cook, different kinds of foods that you find delicious, that other people find delicious as well, that will help make your family healthy. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make banga soup. Now quickly, let me just give you background information of what it's all about. So banga soup is a delicacy that is prepared here in Delta state of Nigeria. Okay, I'll show you the palm fruits that's used to prepare that kind of soup. Alright, so you get the fruits, okay, you put on fire and then you're allowed to boil for a while. I didn't show you the process, but I'll just show you the already cooked banga. That's what we call it, palm fruit as a way. And then thereafter you mash, you can use a pestle and a mortar to mash. Alright, and then you put on fire. We use a different kind of meat to prepare it. Some use pig meat or pork meat here, some use cow meat, some use fresh fish, and a lot of other things. You can use snail, prawns, any kind of thing that you want to use to prepare your food. Now you put in a maggi, you put in a banga soup spice. I'll just show you the processes of how it's done. So quickly, let me just show you the banga, the palm fruit. Please, if you're watching subscribe, please subscribe, watch my videos, share them, okay, to anyone who you think would want to learn preparing different kind of food. I'm just concentrating on some of this food now. As time goes on, we'll go into it deeper as a way. So you can use banga soup, you can eat it with eba, okay, you can eat it with starch, with rice. Some people eat it with rice. And then there's another place in Nigeria that prepares banga soup, and that's the Igbo area. They call it ofako. There's a way they prepare, but this is how we in Delta State prepare. So let me show you the banga fruits, or the palm fruits, already boiled, already cooked, and then the processes of mashing. See here. So this is my palm fruit. I hope it's focusing well. This is my palm fruit. Let me just put it's quite hot here. This is how it looks like. It's boiled already. So I'll just wash here and put into. I use this one. I don't have a mortar. Okay, I'll put into this bowl, this custard bowl, and then I have a pestle I use to mash on it. And there's my filter to do what I need to do. So quickly, let me just show you. This is my palm fruits, my banga, in the custard bowl. This is my mortar. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pound like this. So this is how you pound it until the flesh has detached from the seed. Alright, so let me just do proper pounding, and then I'll come back and show you how it turns out later. This is my already pounded palm fruits. So what I'll just do now, add water to it. I had to put it in kettle for easy, whatever. Just add water. So I have boiling water on fire, okay, hot water, really. I have it on fire, so I'll just put it this way. Wash a little bit. This is my pot I'll be turning into. Okay, and the filter. So I'll just what I do you're supposed to mash very well. You've seen now, if you notice now, find out that the skin from this is how the seed looks like. Okay, this is how the seeds of the palm fruits look like. So because I used pestle on it, it has detached a couple of it has detached the skin out of it, yeah. So you just pound like this, pound like this. So having washed properly, like this, I added a little bit of water. You sieve. Okay, so you churn into the pot and the filter and sieve it this way. Okay, you sieve this way, and then start the process all over again. Okay, I'm using my hands to hold, so I'll just come back and show you when the already washed palm fruits. Alright guys, so I devised a means to put it on some mashing the palm fruits right now. Still trying to get a lot of juice out of it, yeah. And then when you think you've mashed enough, when you think you've mashed enough, yeah, you turn into, let me bring this up here, turn into the pots that you are using to prepare, or that you want to use to cook your banga soup. Alright, see you guys later. I actually said when it's done, but I had to devise a means, so see you guys later. You can add in your hot water just to further take out more juice out of it. You add your hot water to it, yeah, and then because it's gonna be really hot, you take a spoon, yeah, because the water is scorching hot. It's really hot right now, yeah. So you take a spoon, that's what I do though, and then you stir if you can, put your hands into it. Okay, all this to make sure that you get the juice out of it. Yeah, catch ya later. This is my banga, okay, mashed banga, drained the juice from the banga from the palm fruit. That's what I have on fire, so I'll just cover for a while, and then wash carefully, because at times when you over cover it might just boil out. So you wash, cover, wash, and then wash it to observe to see what goes on. So I'll come back to show you guys things that I put in when it's boiling properly. Just show you what I'll be using. So yeah, I have my fresh fish. Let me drop this spoon down. I have my fresh fish. Most times it's really usually very slimy, so we put in hot water. So this is actually hot water, but it's getting cool right now. This is my fresh fish I'll be using. This is an onion I'll be using. Yeah, most times most of our spices are usually in pack. This is banga soup IDS instant and banga soup spices that we use for it, preparing the banga soup. I have my bitter leaf here. Okay, bitter leaf, it's dry, and then I have my belletete. These are some, I don't know the English name for this one, sha. And I have my Maggi cube here. So the bitter leaf I have already here. I have to show you, it's already in a plate, and my pepper. So these are the things I'll be using to put or to prepare my banga soup. You can use, like I said, instead of using fresh fish, you can use meat, beef meat, pork meat, another thing, and stuff like that. So when I'm putting these things in, I'll come back and show you guys how it goes. Alright guys, so this is my boiling banga soup. I'll quickly add my pepper to it. Okay, my banga soup spice. Most times I tend to add a lot of each, like say half of it, and then I'll add my onion. Everything goes in for me, guys. Everything goes in for me, and my bitter leaf and my belletete. Okay, add my Maggi as well. Add my Maggi cube. Okay, so and my salt. So I'll come back and show you guys when I'm adding my fish. I'm about to put my fish. The soup has been boiling for a couple of minutes past here, so I'll just add my fish here. Let it boil. Okay, some people add pomo, like I said, crayfish, bobo, yeah, all those many things, but this is how I'm preparing this one today. Okay, simple to make it delicious as well. So I'll just let this boil, and then I'll catch you. I'm just trying to end the vlog now. I'm trying to end the video right now because it's getting dark. So that's how my soup is. That's how you make banga soup. Okay, very easy to make, very delicious, to the taste buds. So if you're watching, please, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like, okay, comment, share, do all those good stuff they do on YouTube channel to encourage me as much as you can. Subscribe to my other channel on Mandy and Family. Until I come your way again next time, eat healthy, stay blessed, and remember this: God loves you, and so do I. Bye.